Here we have a circle. Two measurements we're worried about with circles are first, the measurement from the center of the circle to any outside edge. That one's shown here. So anywhere, equal distance in a circle, that measurement is called the radius. Okay, so the radius of this circle, if I take my ruler and measure, 0 there, 6.5 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters. So if we were to measure here from the center to the outside edge, you see also 6.5. So anywhere from the center to the outside edge is going to be 6.5 centimeters. So the second measurement is this one here, all the way across the circle through the center from edge to edge, passing through the center in a straight line. Okay, look and see what measurement that one is. 13. We call this one the diameter. So the diameter equals 13 centimeters. So do you see the relationship here between the radius, which is from the center to any outside edge, and the diameter, which is from outside edge through the center in a straight line to another outside edge, 13 centimeters. So yes, the relationship is the diameter is twice the radius, and the radius is 1/2 the distance of the diameter. So how do we construct a circle with a given radius or diameter? Okay, let's start with the given radius. Now in this one, we're given the radius of the circle we're wanted to construct is 5 centimeters. So here's the steps. First step, take your radius measurement and you're going to draw a straight line using a ruler of that measurement. So I'm going to start at 0. That's going to be the center of my circle, 5 centimeters. Okay, now on that line that I've drawn that matches the size of my radius, I'm going to write on there R, 5 centimeters. Now you notice I used a lowercase r for radius. If you want to write the word radius, that's fine, but you just use a lowercase r equals the length of that. So those are the first two steps. My third step is I take my compass and I set it to the distance of that radius. So my compass is going to be spread to 5 centimeters. So I just use the line that I've now drawn. And now that I have it set, I'm going to draw the circle. Now, when I draw a circle, I like to spin my paper. Makes it easy just to hold the compass, just spin my paper. And then I end up with a beautiful circle like that. So now my radius, again, from any location, center to any outside edge, is going to be 5 centimeters. If I actually hold it on the 0 there, 5 centimeters. Okay, so that's a circle with a 5 centimeter radius. That's what it would look like. So now let's draw another one. We'll just flip it over. Let's try one where the radius equals, let's say the radius equals 6.5 centimeters. There's my dot, 6.5 centimeters right there. Okay, radius equals 6.5 centimeters. Again, take my compass, spread it so that it's there, and then I'm going to hold it and spin my paper. There we go. Okay, so what's the diameter of this circle, do you think? So the radius is half the diameter. So if I multiply my radius, which is 6.5, if I multiply that by 2, that's going to give me the diameter. So 2 times the radius equals the diameter. So if I measure across through the center there, this should be 13 centimeters. Let's see. We'll go sideways there. Through the center, 0, through the center, 13 centimeters. So if I was asked to label the diameter, or a lowercase d, 13 centimeters. Okay, so with that in mind, let's do one where we're given the diameter. So this one wants a circle with a diameter of 10. So again, what measurement do we need to know to do a circle with the compass? We need to know the radius. The radius is half of the diameter. So the radius is going to be 5 centimeters. But to do this, I need to draw my 10 centimeter line. So there's a 10 centimeter line. And while I'm here in this, I should mark the 5 centimeter spot because that's what I need to set my compass to. So I'm just going to put D equals D equals 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters across the circle. So the circle is going to go from here to there. So very important, do not ever set your compass to the diameter size. It will make your circle twice as big as it should be. So I set this to my radius size, which is in the center to the outside edge. Now when I spin this around, it should touch this other edge. So I'm going to hold my compass and I'm going to turn my paper and try not to bump into things. There you go. Look, it touched each end of that line. Okay, so there's a diameter. Let's try one more with the diameter. Anybody in here have a diameter they want to do? Oh, never mind, I'm all by myself. Okay, let's say the diameter is 11. So I'm going to draw 11 centimeter line. Oh, keep it there. Mark the center of 11, which is 5.5. Diameter equals 11 centimeters. Take my compass, put the point in the center of that, spread it so that it's 11 centimeters when I spin it. So I'm going to spin it. I've set at my radius measurement, and there is a 11 centimeter diameter circle through the center, 11. Okay, that's how we construct circles given a radius or a diameter. So again, the rules or the steps